Yo, Ko! Ko! She's here, Ko. Okay, Ko, you ready?
Yeah.
You ready? Ready?
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my new chapter. This is how I work, bitch. Like whole 83 pages. I have to remember everything.
Yeah, you look like you're really studying there. This next song is for Connor, Ko, and me. Working from home! Damn, Ko, damn.
Yo!
I think someone's here.
Yo!
That's my cousin Alex, who just landed from Romania and who I'm going to travel Japan with for the next 10 days.
Yo! Ko! Ko! She's here, Ko.
Yo!
Oh my god! Oh my god! You watch it.
Watch out.
Watch it.
Second my pot. Say watch out. Oh my god.
Basically, what Ko likes to do is come to my room and
I don't recognize this person.
destroy my bed. As you can see here.
I'm destroyer. PD, bro. PD.
Yo, shout out to PD.
See? See the bright side.
What's the bright side?
This mattress design is sick.
Ko, do you know how many times I've had to redo my bed because of this? So this is how you pack for Japan.
No
There
way.
is nothing. It's just my head.
Yeah, cause there's just gonna be snacks. What would you say is the hardest obstacle of your workday right now, like today?
Hardest obstacle?
Yeah, like are you able to focus?
What's up, soul?
Why?
Because you're here.
Nah, I heard otherwise.
Because you're here.
I heard it was because of Watcha.
JP is the reason. JP is why I can't focus on my work.
Well, we're gonna ask Watcha a few questions, and
She doesn't need to speak.
we'll make our conclusion after that.
But you're the reason.
So, Watcha, would you say that Jeremy is distracting to Ko's work?
No.
You see?
It's me all along.
You see, Ko? You have your answer right there. She said it. Pepper spray?
Da.
Wow.
This is a beautiful welcome suica card.
Wow.
You don't see this every day in Romania. You don't see this in UK either. This is special.
Okay, let's see.
Building the anticipation.
Okay, building the anticipation.
Those come-
Oh my god! What? Okay,
This is what we call
so
swagger.
let's go. Peace, Ko. Yo, guys, so we're here at Akabane Station, and Alex is trying to find where we can get these stamps. Because I don't know if you guys watched one of my earlier videos, but in Japan, you get stamps at like every location that you go to, kind of.
Yes.
This is it. This is the stamp. Boom. Boom. Achievement unlocked. Oh my god. Guys, look at that. Grape drink. Grape drink. It's pretty good. So, from now on, guys, we're going to a vending machine every single day. This is day one. Grape drink and
Orange juice.
orange juice. Made by Asahi.
That's why my face looks like this. Because of Asahi.
Yo, we've been lost in this train station. Even with the map, it's been useless to try to find this this stamp. We've asked 2 people. They said we need to go to the south side, and we're still trying to make it there, guys. We're still trying to make it there. Right, Alex?
The south is far away.
Hey, let's go, let's go. Guys, it took us like a total of, I want to say 26 minutes to find this. But we made it, guys. Yo guys, so in Japan, you can just leave your bike and nobody will take it. Like unlocked. Anyways, guys, this is, believe it or not, this is the last Pokemon Center I have to visit in Tokyo, and I've done all of them. Yo, Snorlax. Hey, bum, 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 bum. Guys, so at every Pokemon Center, there's like their own kind of Pikachu that you can't find in other Pokemon Centers. Aside from visiting the last Pokemon Center in Tokyo, we are here on a very important mission, and that is to find Alex her first Pokemon to travel.
Very first one. Oh, I saw one I liked.
Which one?
I was thinking the same thing, like
Oh, Flareon. Okay.
What does that mean?
Flareon evolves from Eevee. That's why I said I think you should get Eevee.
Okay.
Because this is like already evolved, but you're like brand new. So you can't really get like an evolved Pokemon. As, yeah. So I think Eevee is the right one.
Yes.
This will be your friend for all the adventures. Let's see. Eevee. No, Eevee. It's not Pikachu, it's Eevee.
one pack and one pack. Pokemon cards, all Japanese tickets. Okay? All Japanese.
Okay, that's okay.
And no refund or exchanges.
No problem.
Please open outside the building.
To się przypinę, Marika.
Itadakimasu.
Aj, jetzt das nicht hier. Muy. Muy. Compra uno.
It's okay.
It's okay.
Just go.
He says it's okay.
Just do it.
Tam trochę siodni góra, no?
No.
My.
No spoon. Ask for a spoon. That's cheating. That is cheating. It's only chopsticks. Oh, yo, guys, this is mine. I got cold soba. She got hot soba, and now she's
I have to eat.
she's finally gonna eat now. Itadakimasu.
Itadakimasu. Acho que elas são com show, telefone.
This is Don Quixote, which is a big store in Japan, full of a bunch of like random things. Guys, look, you got Kit Kat cookies and cream, Kit Kat Gold, whatever that is, biscuit Kit Kat, orange. We got Baskin Robbins ice cream, jeez. Oh my god, guys, like Kit Kat heaven over here. Oh my god, and then we got Kit Kat strawberry, Kit Kat maple syrup, apple, Kit Kat apple? Whoa. Yo, guys, we got Kit Kat chocolate sandwich. This one's coming home with us. Yo, we got Kit Kat, whoa. Oh no, it's just Kit Kat matcha. Thought he was like Kit Kat miso soup or something. Damn, then we got Kit Kat I don't even know like, what is that.
No, but honestly, guys, that intro didn't do it justice. I spent hours in the store after the stay. They have 8 floors and sell everything and anything. Definitely recommend it if you go to Japan. They are in every city. And you will find the most random things like this. I don't even know what this is. It's like an ad for condoms. Yeah. They got like a whole anime twist to it. I don't even know. It's quite intense, actually.
And that is the last stamp of the day at Shinjuku Station, one of the biggest stations in all of Tokyo. You open the
You
pack,
don't even know how many booster packs we opened like last 2 weeks.
and then you take this one, the top one, and then you put it under.
Because that's the nice one, I'm guessing.
No,
Yeah.
this
Or
is the
not.
nice one.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
And we want it to be last.
Damn. Yo, sick.
Because she doesn't know like if any of
I'm
them
not
are
even
good
looking
or
at them,
not.
I'm just looking at your reaction.
Okay. Oh.
Oh my
Oh,
God.
this is one way. Oh, look, Evie.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay, I'm happy.
Okay, guys, we're gonna try the Kit Kat Gold.
Do you want to try? Okay, I'm leaving that.
Oh.
It's good.
Why does it taste salty?
People are probably freaking out right now because I didn't break it and eat it one by one.
No way.
Yeah. So
Rebel.
Oh my God.
drop the comments below
Oh my God.
if that freaked you out.
I'm so freaking out now.
It wasn't filmed, but
I do one
guys,
take
this
only.
one, no, absolutely not. Ooh.
Yeah, it must be good.
It's good, but
Yeah.
Kit Kat Gold is the best.
To end it off and to welcome Alex on her first day in Japan, we decided to throw a few
The plate.
fireworks.
Have the two.
Oh shit, go! Are you serious? Okay, 3 at the same time.
Damn.
We have to end the vlog, guys.
We all know JP.
Bye.
See you guys. That's the end of the vlog today.
That's real fast.
And that's the end.
That's the end, guys. It was a cool day, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.